Okay, time to install this QuietFill onto the toilet. Should be a fairly simple job. The hardest thing will probably be opening up this package. Anyway, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is shut the water off down here. And once that's shut off, flush the toilet. And we're going to dry up the water in the bottom of it. Okay, even though we've emptied all the water out, there's still water down in the bottom of there, as you can see. So I'm going to put a rag down in there and soak that out of there. Okay, I soaked up all the water with a rag up here. And now under here is where we're going to disconnect the water supply. It's already turned off. Now we're going to disconnect the water supply. All right, now that that's off, now there's one other bolt under here. I should say nut. Might have to get the channel locks on it, but it's a, oh no. Okay. Okay, there it is. And now, that comes out. So this comes out, and let's put the new one in. Okay, it says to take this, turn it counterclockwise, and then open it to its tallest thing. So we're going to follow the instructions. Yes, I read the instructions. Show where that goes in here. So this goes here.
Hold on, say that again.
Okay, so that goes in there. And we got, it goes on the bottom. And I'll screw it on. Now we got to figure out how to size it. Get this thing to the right size. Oop, it fell off. Got that in there. Got the bolt that holds it into the bowl on there. And now I'm just going to connect up the water supply under here. Okay, I pulled this back out because it needed to have been sized first. So we made this silver part line up with the fill, right like that. Now that that's lined up at the same height, I pulled it out and then locked this into place by turning it counterclockwise. And now it can no longer go up and down. It's at the right height. Now I'm going to put it back in. Now I got my son helping me now. He wants to, I want him to learn how to do this stuff. So he's got that tightened down. And now we'll continue on. Okay, now it's time to get this tube set up. So we'll put this inside of here like the instructions say. And now we'll go marry this onto the little fill tube. All right, now I'm going to place this into the hold on there. There we go. And we'll bend that around there. It looks like, oh, about right there should work. We'll put this onto here. All right. All right, now I'll put the water supply back on the bottom. And so far I haven't needed any tools. I've all done hand tightening of this. And ladies and germs, the moment of truth.
Turn on the water.
Turn on the water. All right, as we do this, I'm going to be checking down at the bottom if there's no leaks coming out of here. Okay, no leaks under here. So now we'll take a look here. Okay, it's filling nicely. Okay, now that it's full, moment of truth. We'll give it a flush. All right, and that did it, fellers. I need to adjust that a little bit more. There's an adjuster on there to how much water goes into there. So we'll bring that. Oh, I'm going to adjust that a little bit. And we'll give it another flush and look at it. And there we have it. We got the level up where we want it from the adjuster. So all is well in the flush family.